I'm going to talk about the word titled Seedling quality from 6 pine species produced in polyethylene bank. For Mexico, temperature forest extending in an area of around 323,305 square kilometers. It's about 70% of the country, but this area had a big problem for deforestation. The most extended drivers of deforestation are land use change for agricultural and illegal logging and forest fires and disease. During the reforestation process in degraded areas, it is necessary to use quality plants so that they have a greater ability to establish growth in development in the plantation site. Consequently, it is necessary to increase the survival percentage site once established in the field. It will be able to live in the ground even in a place with low productivity. Despite the fact that there is inexperience on the evaluation of the plant quality parameters in Mexican forest species, the great variability in condition and production process in the nursery means that knowledge in the sense is still limited, so it is necessary to carry out more research in this regard. Therefore, the present work aimed to assess the quality of the plant in the nursery of the 6 species of the Pinus genus produced in polyethylene banks. At the Héroes Bicentenario Forest Nursery located in Tecámac, State of Mexico, 90 Pinus plants of the 6 species were randomly chosen, 50 plants per species, produced in natural ground and polyethylene banks. The species were Pinus gregi, Pinus leiophylla, Pinus odostrobus, Pinus edecahuite, Pinus harvegi, and Pinus embroides. Each individual was evaluated for their plant quality by measuring the diameter at the root neck, height from the base of the apical bark, slenderness index, aerial dried biomass, and root dried biomass, BSH and BSR ratio, and Dixon quality index. To determine the quality of the plant's height, medium, or low, the values obtained for DC and ALT were compared to the morphological indicators of the plant quality at the nursery that are stipulated in the Mexican standard, where I8, BS8, and BSR ratio, and ICD with the interval cited by Rodríguez-Ortiz et al. 220. In regard to CD, all species except for Pinus edecahuite recorded higher values than those indicated in the Mexican standard, and those that are considered higher quality. Pinus harvegi, in particular, was the best of, since it more than doubled of the values indicated in the standard. Results suggest that the 5 species of Pinus evaluated that had the potential to establish themselves in the field, since the diameter dimensions indicate well-developed root systems, resistance to physical damage, to its tolerance to those caused by animals, and to high temperatures on the soil surface. In regard to alt, Pinus gregi and Pinus leiophylla were above the values suggested of the Mexican standard. Pinus embroides had values within the proportion intervals. However, Pinus edecahuite and Pinus odostrobus had lower health than advisable. For Pinus harvegi, the Mexican standard does not include a maximum or minimum value, as it is a cespitous species. For IE, all species except for Pinus gregi recorded a value lower than 6, which indicate that the plants are more robust or better quality that can resist abuse from the transfer maneuvers to the plantation site, to driving out by the wind, frost damage, and with a better chance of survival than growth in the sites with water limitation. In the BS8 and BSR ratio, Pinus embroides, Pinus edecahuite, and Pinus harvegi recorded the lowest proportion, which indicate high quality from a good balance between the biomass of the aerial part and the root, as well as the greater possibilities of the success when planted in place with low rainfall. Conversely, Pinus odostrobus, Pinus leiophylla, and Pinus gregi had the highest ratio, which suggests that there should be planted in the place where there are no water availability problems. For ICD, Pinus harvegi showed the highest value, while Pinus gregi and Pinus ostrobo had the lowest. Pinus embroides and Pinus ecawite and Pinus leiophila had intermediate value. It was determined that all species, except for Pinus ostrobo, showed high quality since their ICD was greater than 0.5. For reforestation programs to success in degraded areas, plants with high quality must be used. Good morphological traits help plants to survive in harsh conditions. Pinus embroides and Pinus gregi had the high plant quality, while Pinus ayacawite had lowest quality, whereas Pinus harvegi and Pinus leiophila and Pinus ostrobo had rather medium plant quality. This information is keystone when analyzing seedling survival in the reforestation areas based on the characteristics of the sites. Therefore, it could be helpful to make timely decisions during the plantation managed, particularly for the species evaluated. Thank you for your attention. You can find more information about this research in the site or write me the email. Thanks.